Okay friends, today we're going to make some artwork inspired by concentric circles. Concentric circles, what are those? Well, it's a really big word, but it's a really easy thing to learn. Concentric circles are circles that are surrounding each other and they grow in size. So if you have a small circle, and then there's another circle around it, and another circle around it. And do you notice how these circles are not touching? Those are called concentric circles. Let me add a couple more. It's okay that these circles aren't perfect circles. They're still called concentric circles. Can you think of another word that somebody might use to describe this image? Concentric circles is the official word to describe this, but maybe, I don't know, could somebody call it a target? Or maybe even like a black hole? It also sort of looks like a puddle splash, doesn't it? Like when you drop a rock into the water. Yeah, okay. So we're going to make some artwork based off of concentric circles, and I'm going to show you the tool that we're going to use, okay? The tool that we're going to use is one of my favorite tools. It's going to be a paint dauber, okay? So you've used these before, but not one that looks like this. This one is special because it has a permanent ink in it called India ink, okay? That means it is permanent. It's very similar to Sharpie in that sense. Sharpie are permanent ink. This bingo dauber that we have here is permanent ink also. So we're gonna be really careful. We're also gonna set up 3 rules when we're using these, okay? 1, we're not gonna shake it. 1, we're not gonna shake it. 2, we're not gonna squeeze it. 2, we're not gonna squeeze it. And 3, we are not going to hit it on our paper. Number 3 is we are not going to hit it on our paper, okay? So those 3 things, those are the 3 no-nos with these permanent paint daubers, okay? So we're gonna do some fun designs on our paper today with concentric circles. And we're gonna think about our circles maybe a little bit more interesting than this. You can do just plain circles if you want, but I might do my circles a little bit different than these circles. So I'm gonna start in the center of my paper. So I'm going to find the center. This looks right about the center of my paper. So I'm going to start with a small circle right in the center, right? I'm gonna maybe start with a regular circle. I'm not pressing hard, I'm not shaking, and I'm not squeezing. How cool is that? Okay, my next circle, I'm going to do a wavy circle going around. Nice. Kind of looks like a fried egg, right? Or flour. Fried egg flour. Okay, I'm gonna do a plain circle around again. And then I'm going to try maybe a zigzag circle. Let's see, maybe I should keep the same pattern going just for fun. I'm going to draw a plain circle again around, regular circle. And my design is starting to go off my paper a little bit, but that's okay. I'm just putting the parts on that fit. And if it goes off my paper, then that's okay. We'll just pretend it's there. Okay, on the outside of this one, let's think about maybe, Ooh, how about a dashed circle? So I'm gonna make a dashed line. This is what a dashed line looks like. And then on the outside of that one, you guessed it, a plain straight circle. I think I might repeat. I really like the look of this one, this wiggly one, so I'm gonna do another curvy circle on the outside. And I think after this one, I have run out of space for all of my circles. So you can have fun with this and do your concentric circles however you wish. Let me show you one more sample before we get started here. So here's the same technique, another sample, okay? Similar design, right? Concentric circle. And then when you're finished with your design, you're going to take it to the drying rack because it's gonna need to dry for a little bit, okay? I hope you guys have fun with this one.